Hello and welcome to this session of KSG podcast. Today I will be talking about the legal term adverse possession. This term was in news when the Supreme Court gave its judgment in M. Siddique versus Mahant Suresh Das case, which is popularly known as the Ayodhya land dispute case. In the case, a piece of land was contested by both the parties, and one of the party claimed adverse possession over the contested piece of land. This term becomes important because the right to own and manage property for religious purposes is a fundamental right enshrined in Article 26 of the Constitution. Now, what is adverse possession? Simply put, it is a legal doctrine which allows a person to claim a property right in land where that land is owned by someone else. For example, person A is the owner of a land, and this land is being utilized by person B, say for agricultural activities. Here person B can claim the property rights over the land, though the original owner of the land is person A. If the courts grant the claim of person B, then in that case it will be said that person B has obtained adverse possession over the land. However, before granting adverse possession, certain facts have to be established in the courts. Namely, the possession was hostile or adverse to the rights of the true owner. Now here the word hostile does not mean hostility. Hostile here means anything which is going against the interests of the true owner. The second condition that has to be satisfied is that the possession must be actual, in the sense that the claimant must be physically present on the land. The third conditionality is that the possession should be open and obvious to anyone. In other words, a secret or hidden possession is not sufficient. The next conditionality is that the occupation of the land must be exclusive and the enjoyment of the land should not be shared with anybody else. And lastly, the occupation of the land should be continuous in time. So this, in a nutshell, is adverse possession for the benefit of all of you. Thank you very much.